And now, video 2. This is downstairs in the Tower Suite at Raffles at OWO London. And this is the bedroom, and my bags have already arrived. Luxury is plush carpeting, and I certainly have it here. Hey, I've got a book on the story of the old War Office. I've got a book on Christian Dior. I could stop off a long time, but let's go on around. This is Thierry Despont design, and he's gone for gorgeous fabrics and fabulous wallpaper. Look at the wallpaper that wraps all the way around. It's like a bedroom that I hoped my grandmother would have had, but she didn't have one quite like this. And anyway, even if she had an elaborate bedroom, she would not have had USB ports, and she would not have had fiber optics. She might have had original artwork, and she just might have had a chandelier like that. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's real luxury. I'm going to feel this cashmere throw, and it's extremely gorgeous. Need to look in the closet in the dressing room. Here it is. The safe, I'm told, is in one of the drawers, not that one. Wonder what's in there. Take it out and have a look at it later. Let's see. No, not there. Here is the safe. And I've got everything I might want here. Golly, I don't know what, I think that must be a steamer, because I've already got my Dyson hairdryer and very low down clothes there to put my trousers on, an umbrella, and a yoga mat. Yippee! That means I don't have to go to the gym tonight. Oh, I didn't show you the entrance. The entrance is here, and this is my tower suite. Here. There's another tower, but that is not made into a suite. Oh, the door is terribly tight. I guess that's security. Lovely carpeting outside. When you really get to know this, you discover that it's all so well thought out. I believe hundreds of craftsmen were involved in it. And when you know that, and when you come and see it, you're just in awe of the whole thing. Bathtub, lovely bathtub, and heated towel rail. And Joanna, who showed me up, said, feel the quality of the bathrobe and of the towels. They're soft and gorgeous. And I've got bath salts, and the toiletries are 1906, the day that this was opened originally. Who's made those? 1906. Too small. I've got my glasses on, but I'll find out. And then I must have a shower somewhere. Otherwise, that's going to be rather odd. Oh yes, here's the shower. And we'll be able to see in there what's happened. Ah, nice big pump pots, but they're not attached to the wall. And there's a comfortable seat for sitting on, and the shower has handheld and overhead. Yeah, all very nice. And look at the door leading into the bathroom. End of video 2 here at Raffles at the Old War Office, London.